Hello everyone. Thanks for stopping in. If you're a new subscriber and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'd love to have you join. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello and thanks for stopping in. I'm going to talk today about a few items that I just purchased recently that I think are worth the go out and look for type items. That I got at Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Tuesday Morning. Those were the three places that I kind of went to during this past weekend and even today. I've decorated, and I'll insert my video below if you haven't seen that, of my little mini house tour for fall and some of my fall accessories, but I was still looking for a couple of little items. Like I was looking for a couple of little candles. Didn't want anything big or elaborate because I do have a favorite candle that I love for this season, and it's a Nest pumpkin chai scent. Love, love, love it. But I wanted one for my mantle that I needed to be small, and I needed some other little candle for the kitchen. So I was kind of out on a search for that, and also I was looking for some tea lights. I found my string of lights that I've been using the last couple of years, but they're too long, too big for what I need right now, and I may do something else with those, but I just wanted the string tea lights, and I really was wanting the battery operated, but not those small little nickel battery because those don't last that long. But I went to Tuesday Morning today, and it's the first time I visited that particular store. And it was really a nice store, and they had some great buys and they had some great things out for fall. Really cute. And if I hadn't already had so many decorations for fall, I probably would have really stocked up. But I did find tea lights there. I will impose a picture of the box here, and then I'll show you what I used them for and where I put them. But they were like $5.99, and they were 5 feet long, 120 hours worth of burn time, and it's the type that you can set to come on for 5 hours and then automatically goes off, and then will come back on at the same time the next day. So I bought, I think, 2 of those, and I'm really going to go out and pick up a couple of more because those were perfect lights. So today I picked those up at Tuesday Morning, and I also found a ceramic pumpkin. I was looking for a particular pumpkin in the really pretty, it's a really pretty green, and it's almost sort of muted. It's not a dark green, it's not a celery green, but it's just this really kind of milky green, and I found a ceramic pumpkin that I wanted for in the kitchen, and I found it. It's a little I'll insert a picture of how I've decorated it. The biggest thing was Dollar Tree. I found the cutest, most adorable items at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to insert pictures of all of them, and I'm going to describe to you how I've used them for decoration. And usually after I decorate a place, and especially because this is the first year that we've been in this home, I will spend a good 3 or 4 days going around and moving things. You know, like maybe I want this autumn quilted dresser scarf on this end table and not that one, and I'll move a pillow here and there and regroup things because I just like doing that, and till I find it to where it's just comfy and cozy. And so today at Dollar Tree, I purchased 3 little signs that were so adorable. One was about pumpkins and wishes and kisses, and another was a old-fashioned pickup truck for fall, or it says, you know, greeting autumn or something. And it was in a silhouette of a brown, sparkly silhouetted pumpkin, and I just thought, oh, I'm just going to take the inside truck picture out, but it's so cute, and I just ended up laying it up against my lamp on my little circle table between my 2 chairs, and it was just cute. It just added that little bit of color that I needed for right there, and I thought, okay, for right now I'm just going to leave it. And so I found that, and then I found another sweet little sign that says bless his home, and I'll insert pictures, like I said, and show you how I've used those items. And where I put my tea lights and stuff like that. But at Dollar Tree today, I picked up these. They had really adorable ribbons, and these are really, really cute. And I like to spruce things up sometimes just by making a big bow and refreshing it on an old wreath or something that I'm going to continue to use. Every year I say I'm going to do a new door wreath and I don't do it. I just spruce it back up. And so sometimes I just make little ribbons and just lay it on a tray or something just to bring the color to it. So I picked up a couple of ribbons. They had some really cute ones. And then they had these napkins there, and it's just got this rustic writing on it that says autumn, harvest, give thanks, be thankful, harvest time, autumn leaves. It was just so cute, and the motif of the pumpkin, and it's such nice coloring. It's that really pretty fall traditional colors, not that, you know, watercolor. Sometimes it just looks so fake, and you know, it's just not attractive. But they're everything that they had this year out that I saw, I just thought was so adorable. And I bought at Dollar Tree the little girl and little boy scarecrow. Really cute, and I'll insert a picture of where I put those. And then oh, one of the things that I did get at Tuesday morning was their little nuts, you know, and they're silver, and they're all attached, and it says thankful. Really cute, and it was the perfect size. I mean, the way things work out sometimes, when I saw it, it was like the only one there, and it was done in silver, and it was so darn cute. And I thought, I know I can put this anywhere. And originally I thought I could put it right across the top of my Hoosier because it's silver and I think you can see it. But then when I got home, I had this little basket with all my little bears in it, and it fit right in there perfectly. So I'll insert a picture of that. And I thought I'd show you some of what I do and how I decorate with things like napkins. I do the same thing that I did when I showed you the liner paper that I use for drawers in my dresser, how I lined it with clear contact paper and I use it as a mat on my vanity. Well, I do the same thing. Oops, I kind of got to move this around a little. This happens to be just a little wood tray that I just recently bought at Big Lots. It matches my end table in my living room perfectly. Same color, identical. And I use this on my ottoman in the living room. And so what I've done here is I just had this little silk plant that I had in my kitchen, and I just stuck these sunflowers in there with the autumn color because it just kind of ties in the rest of the colors that are going on in the living room. And then I have this little bowl here shaped like a leaf. Bought this several years ago, I believe, at Big Lots. And I, of course, put little pieces of candy in there because who doesn't like pumpkin pie, cinnamon? Come on, y'all, it's fall. You can have a little sugar. And then I have these little mugs for your drinks. It says, love you to the moon and back. And I just have these on this tray here. And like I said, I may just go ahead and do a little bow here and just throw it in there just for color. It's just the simplest things that you can do, and maybe even put a little candle there. But I have some pictures of the little candles that I found at TJ Maxx. One's called White Pumpkin, and it comes in a little mason jar, and it was perfect for on top of my fireplace. And then the other was a little candle in a crock, and it said Hello Fall, and it had the twig. The Hello Fall was written inside a round little twig deco. It was so cute, and that's in the kitchen, and I'll put a picture of that. But I wanted to show you same thing that I do. Let me take all this out. For just decorating something so simply, I took one of those paper napkins and I just covered it in clear contact paper. And what I've done, I'm showing it to you upside down here, it's just got the clear contact paper on it so that if you put a drink down on the tray or something gets wet, that it's just not going to shred or tear your paper napkin, and it adds just a spark of color to your tray, and it looks really cute. And so what if it doesn't last till next season? It's just a paper napkin, and the rest of the napkins I'll use during the holidays. So I found some really fun things like that, and I'm gonna go through and show you what I've added to my decorations and how I decorated with them, and I think you'll enjoy it. And if you go out and you get a chance, hit the Dollar Tree, because they have got some really cute stuff this year, and so does Big Lots. I mean, I'm impressed. Well, I do want to wish you all pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I had a lot of fun decorating this year. I know I'm not really done. I'll probably be going around tweaking this and tweaking that. But for the most part, I think it's pretty comfortable and pretty cozy. And so from my house to your house, even though we're not quite there yet, I wish you all a happy fall. And so does Fido.